If you're experiencing the EAFC25 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to your game with minimal hassle. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance activities. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming console or PC and wait for a few moments before turning it back on. This can help clear temporary issues that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game library and install them. Updates often include fixes for known issues. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding down the power button until the system shuts down completely. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game mesh settings and finding the option to clear local data. Step 5. Relink your EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can help refresh your connection to the cloud save system. Make sure your account is properly linked to your gaming platform. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.